So we have 5,000 short shares left. Borrow rate now over 380%. Look with me closely. BBIG short shares availability is 5,000. And again, if we go here, we can see the CTB minimum is over 368%. Before last video that we did last week, here was around the 1%. What it means, CTB minimum is the lowest cost to borrow agreed on any loan today for BBIG share. And the price going higher is mean the cost to borrow any share of BBIG is getting higher. Right now, almost 300%. Last week, if you remember, it was 1%. So if we go in the chart, the price is still around give or take 1% up, and right now below the 1%. There is a massive volatility and fight right now. The volatility I can see is still holding, and because what? Because we're still holding this ascending line. As we said before, here this is a fight for our apes or the investors or the retail trader buying around this support, and the short seller and shorting heavily around this area of interest for BBIG. And the price doesn't move between the $1 and the 50 cent below because we have buying pressure and selling pressure are in balance. That's why this price is still holding below the $3 and above the $2.50. So right now is just like a question of time. We need to overcome the $3.30 or over this exponential average to give us a mini squeeze. You see this one? This will give us a mini squeeze if we overcome this exponential average and close above it, at least for our candle. And the next time we overcome the $3.80 and close above it, this will give us the real squeeze for BBIG to see the $5.40 and then $6.30 and beyond. However, right now we have to watch closely and holding this ascending line. If we go to our other stock that's in our list, we can see that Apple is holding our support. As we said, the 136 is a really important major support for Apple. That's why we saw last week we did the video, we have a wick. That's why here confirmation for this support, and we bought back, and right now is 3.46%. That's why we said last week to load up around this support and around the 136 with our free share with Apple and Momo. We have 36 hours left to load up and take your free share of Apple with my exclusive link in comment section below, and you get another 5 free stock as well. And if you live in US, you get 0 commission for trading US stocks. So if we go again for the other stock that I'm watching, so if we go to energy stock list, we can see that energy stock is bumping except for CEI. SM Energy going 5% because we held this support, the 31 level. We have BTU going 11% up because we held the support around the 23.70. We talked about in the last live streaming on Friday, 8 p.m. Paris time. We always do it on Friday. And as well for GTE is bumping because we held $1.39 support, and that's why we bumped 3%. RDBX we talked about as well in our live streaming last Friday. And we said is have a potential to bump because if we overcome the $5.12, we're gonna have the test for the $6.70, and that's what happened today. We held a 1 hour candle last Friday above the $5.12, and that's why today we jumped 26%, and we test 3 times today and we got rejected. Right now we're still testing the $6.67. If we held above it, we're gonna have the $8.90 for RDBX. Hopefully that was informative. If you have any question, let me know in comment section below. We're gonna do daily update for BBIG and the other stock here. So press the like button, hit the notification so you never miss any of my future updates, and see you in the next video.